I did to make my leaf collector. I bought this boot online, and I can't remember who it came from, if it was DR or who it came from. But all you do is you cut out, and you'll see other guys that did this, you cut out the hole for the discharge. You can see right there what I did is I just put 2 bolts up there for posts, and I got an eye hook in there that I attached to a metal plate inside the plastic. Well, that really hard plastic. And that gives it pretty good strength. It just hangs there. And I got some, I think that's 6-inch to 7-inch HVAC ductwork. And I want to show you what it looks like with it all together now. I just went around and collected. I'll tell you, this thing works really well. You'll see reports online that they don't work that great. This works really good. And essentially what I did, I have my little exhaust right here, just a piece of pipe. What I do, I just took a tarp and I have these clamps. Okay. And hold my sticks together. Take all my clamps off here. Yeah, I have a board in there. Another one in here. Okay, that's all I got. I'll tell you, it works good. Look at all that collected. Chopped up nice. And the tarp, I just have it hanging on these eye hooks here. The back of my rider. Okay. Nothing fancy, pretty redneck. Another clap going around my duck. See that? That's all there is to it. That's literally it. I'll tell you, this thing works nice. Nothing fancy. But then I can basically take my tarp then and dump it. Have it open on 2 sides. Okay. Have a board running through the top of the tarp. Just bolted together. Anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to you soon.